Whether you're an experienced yogi or just someone looking to improve flexibility, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into yoga for flexibility. Stretching isn't just about touching your toes, it's about creating space in your body, releasing tension, and improving how you move and feel in everyday life. By incorporating specific yoga poses into your routine, you can enhance your flexibility and discover a new level of physical freedom. So, grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's explore some amazing yoga poses to stretch and open up your body. Let's start with why flexibility matters. Flexibility isn't just for dancers or athletes, it's essential for everyone. It reduces muscle tension, prevents injuries, and even improves posture. Think about it, how often do we sit hunched over our phones or computers? Over time, this tightens the muscles in our neck, shoulders, and back. Yoga helps counteract these effects by lengthening and loosening tight areas, promoting better movement and relaxation. Now let's jump into the poses, starting with some beginner-friendly options. 1. Cat-cow pose. This gentle flow between two poses warms up the spine and gets your body ready for deeper stretches. Start on your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly, lift your chest, and gaze up into cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tuck your chin, and draw your belly to your spine for cat pose. Repeat this for about 5 breaths to mobilize your spine and create flexibility in your back and neck. 2. Downward facing dog. A classic pose that stretches your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. From your hands and knees, lift your hips up and back to form an inverted V shape. Keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings are tight. Press your palms firmly into the mat and lengthen your spine. This pose is a full-body stretch that helps release tension in multiple areas. 3. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale and reach your arms up, then exhale as you fold forward from the hips, reaching toward your feet. Don't worry about touching your toes, just go as far as you can while keeping your back long. This pose deeply stretches the hamstrings and lower back while promoting relaxation. 4. Butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open, creating a diamond shape with your legs. Sit tall and gently fold forward, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs and hips. Butterfly pose is fantastic for opening up tight hips, especially if you sit for long periods. 5. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, and press into your palms as you lift your chest off the ground. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed. This pose stretches the front of your body, including your chest and abdominal muscles, while strengthening your back. For those ready to explore intermediate poses. 6. Triangle pose. Stand with your feet wide apart, turn one foot out, and reach your arms out to the sides. Shift your torso over your front leg and lower your hand to your shin, ankle, or the floor, while extending your other arm up. This pose stretches the sides of your body and opens up your hips and hamstrings. 7. Pigeon pose. Start in a tabletop position, bring one knee forward and place it behind your hands, angling your shin slightly. Extend the opposite leg straight back. Lower your torso down for a deep hip stretch. This pose is incredible for releasing tight hips and improving lower body flexibility. 8. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press into your feet to lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a bridge shape with your body. This stretches the chest and front of the thighs while strengthening the glutes and lower back. 9. Half splits. Kneel on one knee with the other leg extended straight in front of you. Flex your front foot and fold over your extended leg to stretch the hamstrings. This pose is a great way to build up to full splits over time. 10. Wide-legged forward fold. Stand with your feet wide apart and fold forward from your hips, letting your head hang down. Place your hands on the ground or a block for support. This pose stretches the hamstrings, inner thighs, and back while calming the mind. Advanced poses can take your flexibility to the next level. Yoga isn't about perfection or how far you can stretch, it's about the journey. Each pose you practice is a step toward building not only flexibility but also strength, balance, and mental clarity. The key is consistency. Even dedicating just a few minutes a day to these stretches can make a massive difference in how your body feels and moves.